Now we're reviewing Chapter 9, which deals with tables and different tables that would provide values that we would use to size conduits, tubing, flexible type wiring methods, cable trays, and so forth. Now notice we're highlighting the tables 7.1 through 7.12a, or in the 2020 edition, it'd be tables C.1 through C.20. But we're highlighting our table, the first table listed, table C.1 in the Annex C. Now, make note that the Chapter 1 and 4 to Chapter 9 and to tables 1 says in the table 1, if my memory serves me correctly, that we can, if the conductors of a circuit are all the same size, we could use one of the tables in the Annex C to size that particular raceway. Now, notice in the NEC loop, we call this out. Note 1 to the table 1 in Chapter 9, and Note 6 to the Table 1 in Chapter 9 illustrates and gives a reference over to the Annex C, and then of course our tables 4 through Table 5 to Chapter 9, tables 4 deal with our raceway systems, while Table 5 deals with the insulation and the cross-sectional area we would select based upon the type of insulation and the size of the conductor. Now, for the various wiring methods, go to section 300.17 in the NEC and review the informational note there, which lists all these wiring methods in alphabetical order for metal raceways, alphabetical order for non-metallic raceways, in alphabetical order for tubing and flex and so forth. Now, what we're calling out here in the illustration, we have 4 number 6 AWG THWN copper conductors. The key section now that we would use would be Note 1 to Chapter 9 to Table 1, which says since they're all the same size, we are recommended over to the Annex C. So in the Annex C, Table C.1 for EMT, and we're sizing it for 4 number 6s, 4 number 6s would require at least a 3/4 inch. So the solution would be, based upon 4 number 6s, routed through and pulled through EMT, a 3/4 inch conduit or tubing is required.